Do you have trouble launching the game The Elder Scrolls 4 Oblivion Remastered? Maybe I can help. If when you click on this, the Steam window pops up, but the game never starts, and the Steam window goes away and nothing happens. In my case, that was an Nvidia driver issue. So what you want to do is reinstall your Nvidia drivers, but using the clean install option. If you know where that is, you don't need to watch the video. Go do it, and that should fix your problem. Once it's downloaded, click on it to start the installation. Click yes to the user account control. You can click OK to decompress the files. Does it stop at 24 for you too? My preference here is to not install the Nvidia app, but that's up to you. So I click here, I press agree, continue. I click on custom, click next. Now the important part I was talking about before, the perform a clean installation, is right here. You click that box, it puts a check mark, and then you click next, and it's going to perform a clean installation on your computer. In my case, I already did it. It fixed my problem. So for the video's sake, I'm just going to cancel this. But you shouldn't. If you have the problem, continue and perform the clean installation. So that fixes that issue. If your issue is that a game starts, but it's stuck on the map, you want to download VC Redist. You can click here, go all the way down and find these links. So you want to download and install the x86 version and the x64 version. So let's download them both. They are now both downloaded. I open the x86. If it wasn't installed, go ahead with the installed, click next and all that jazz. If it was installed already like me, you click repair here. Then you click yes. It's going to do a repair. Once the repair is successful, it's going to say setup successful, and you can close the window. Let's do the same thing for the x64. If it wasn't installed, install it. If it's installed like me, go ahead and click the repair button. Click yes. And then let's go ahead and restart the computer. Once you're back in Windows, you should be able to launch the game without a problem. Congratulations, you did it. Don't forget to leave a comment, a like, a dislike, whatever you want. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.